Hey there. Quick question. What if you could unlock the power of 30+ premium AI tools and run your entire content, video, image, podcast, and website business from one super dashboard? No monthly fees, no tech skills, no limits. Welcome to CognExai Unlimited Edition, the most powerful all-in-one AI platform ever built that gives you the superpowers of an entire team at a one-time price. Right like ChatGPT, launch full-blown AI video podcasts and babyface shows designed like Canva and Midjourney. Build sites like Wix and ClickFunnels. Create videos like Synthesia, InVideo and Premiere Pro. Clone voices like 11 Labs. Replace freelancers, subscriptions, and software chaos. Yep, all of it, in one platform, with unlimited access to every feature. Because let's be honest, AI is no longer a nice-to-have. It's the fuel behind every successful brand, agency, and freelancer out there. But until now, you had two choices: pay $500 to $1,000 a month, stacking 10+ tools, or sacrifice features, quality, and control. Not anymore. With CognExai Unlimited, you get it all, without limits. Use it for your brand or sell services to clients. Create unlimited videos, images, content, websites, podcasts, avatars, and more. Save $6,000 plus per year instantly. No subscriptions, no upgrades, no bullshit. Keep 100% of the profits. This is your business. And it's stupid simple to use. Just pick what you want to create: a video, a podcast, an image, a blog, a site. Click once and let AI do the heavy lifting. Use it yourself or sell it to clients, agencies, or brands. We're talking AI-powered avatars, faceless videos, 3D art, sales pages, VSL scripts, email campaigns, scroll-stopping reels, YouTube shorts, product videos, AI voice avatars in 100+ languages, studio-quality AI podcasts and babyface show videos, drag-and-drop website builder with free hosting, 75+ AI agents and workflows for writing, editing, search engine optimization, and marketing, cloud storage, project sharing, and client dashboards. And guess what? There's no one basic plan here. This is the ultimate edition. Everything unlocked, everything unlimited, no caps, no credit limits, no feature lockouts. This is the version that saves you money, time, stress, and gives you superhero-level control over content, clients, and cash flow. Whether you want to launch your own faceless podcast, sell reels and promo videos to influencers and brands, build websites and stores for clients, offer AI services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Facebook, run a full-blown marketing agency, or just automate your side hustle with smart tools, CognExai puts you in charge. It's the shortcut 99% of people wish they had. And you're looking at it right now. So go ahead, click the button below. Grab full access before we flip this to a high monthly fee. Because let's be real, you'll never pay for ChatGPT, Midjourney, Canva, or InVideo again. You'll never need to hire expensive writers, editors, or designers. You'll never waste time managing 10+ platforms. You can even start your own podcast empire without mic, cam, or crew. And if you're still watching this, it means you already know this is the kind of opportunity that doesn't come twice. But I have to warn you, the price is rising fast, and once this launch ends, you'll never see this deal again. There are no monthly fees, no upsells that block your access, and absolutely no hidden costs. Pay once and enjoy lifetime access to CognExai, the same tool replacing 6,000+ worth of AI subscriptions. And yes, you're fully protected by our 30-day money-back guarantee. No risk, no catch, just the most complete, powerful, money-saving AI system online today. This is your all-in-one business weapon. This is CognExai. And that's not all. When you grab your copy today, you'll also unlock exclusive launch bonuses worth $5,997. Absolutely free. These bonuses are limited to this special launch period. So once the timer hits 0, they vanish. So, what are you waiting for? Step into the future of AI-powered business and automation, where 30+ powerful AI engines unite to write, design, speak, code, and sell for you. Click the button below to get instant access to CognExai, your all-in-one business powerhouse for a crazy low one-time price. Act now. This offer disappears soon. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.